Welcome back. In this session, we will talk about variable. So let's see what is variable. So variable is just like a container which can hold value. So as we have containers in our real life for holding something, same way in a language we can create a variable to hold the value. So as an example, I am creating two variables like num1 which type is integer, so it can store only integer type value, and the second one is here a string type. So this name variable can hold only string types values. So the name might be Shailendra, it might be Deepak, it might be Mohan. So all the string type values we can hold to this name variable, and the variable would be stored into the memory based upon the variable data type. So whatever the data type we have given to that variable, based upon that it is going to be stored into memory. So in our example, let's see what will be the memory representation for these two variables. So num1 is integer type, so it means it is a value type. So value type always is stored in heap. So you can see here num1 is integer type, and integer type is a value type, and value type always stored in a stack. So that's why here the num1 will be the part of the stack. But you can see the name variable is reference type. So name variable always stored in the heap, and that heap reference will be contained within the stack where your application program is running. So you can see here, based upon the variable type, the variables are going to be stored either into the stack, either into the heap. So based upon the variable type, data type, they are going to be stored in memory. Thank you for watching this video.